what started as pulling the turbo turned into pulling the whole engine. Everything escalates quickly around here. We went out to Harbor Freight and got an engine hoist because I've never really had one. I've always had to borrow or rent them. I'm tired of doing that. We got a leveler as well. We put this thing. Headlights get their own bed. Fenders get wrapped. We're gonna need to
get some of the clutter out the way.
And we need to declutter. We need to also remove the alternator, and we need to swing the AC compressor out of the way so we can figure out our latching points for our engine oils.
That would be 2 bolts. Well,
Okay, we'll have to undo the serpentine belt. What are you looking for?
I found something.
A nut?
Yeah. No,
I
it's
seen
a washer.
Yeah. Oh, there's a.
Oh, baby washer.
There's a baby nut.
I'm not sure where that goes to. Probably one of these up here. Try to guess.
Look, that's probably where it came from, the washer too.
they look like
What are you talking about?
these.
Oh, yeah.
These look like little ass footballs.
So we're back.
Tractor.
Got
Like
the
a tractor.
air intake manifold off.
Of course, that would be a
Disconnecting the fuel system. It's got a bunch of running lines. Disconnect it.
Fuel lines, yep.
What's the last one over here by the regulator. Once we get this one out, should be the last of them. And then on to the next step. Just trying to think of how we're gonna connect the leveler to it.
We're gonna have to get a bolt. Probably put it through here. And then after we pull the engine or the transmission off, put another bolt through here. And then here.
And just pick it up by the bolts.
Yep. Okay, so it is 3 in the morning, and we are just about ready to pull the transmission out and get the engine ready to get pulled out. But we figured we'd call it a night before we get too far, because this thing's gonna be heavy. So we figured we'd take a step back, get some rest. I've been up since 7 in the morning. I ripped apart a forklift earlier.
I haven't slept.
He hasn't slept. This guy's a maniac. Fucking. We're just gonna get shit done tomorrow.
I'm an alien.
We can get it done tomorrow and take it from there.